So I have been quarantining for about 4 days now, and for those of you that have had to quarantine, it can get a little nerve-wracking with the ones that you love, and you can start to get on each other's nerves. Somebody and I have been having some issues with working out, and so we thought we might make you a video. Oh my god, this is gonna be bad.
Hey, nothing gonna take me down.